Hey y'all, my name's Gabe and this is Stuff and Things. Today we are talking about Boker Kalashnikov. I don't personally own this knife, but I have a friend who has multiple of them. It is a sweet knife. I've used it multiple times. Let's get into it. But first, subscribe to Stuff and Things if you like content like this. EDC, knives, multi-tools, backpacks, any sort of reviews on those sorts of things. And also, a little added incentive. I pick up a piece of trash for every new subscriber, helping make this world a better place. So, subscribe. Like I said, today we're talking about the Boker Kalashnikov. I'm going to be talking about it from Blade HQ website listings. They're really great because they have a YouTube channel where they post a lot of videos helping you to, learn about their knives that are listed, which is really great. But then also they, specifically with the Boker Kalashnikov, have actually bought a bunch of them and customized them into their own styles and sell them as customized knives. So they have like ones where they've literally painted the blade. Well, let me just show you. One disclaimer with that though, when Blade HQ, and they do put this in the description of the knives, you'll know it, but I'm just mentioning it as well. When Blade HQ customizes the knives, a lot of times they void the manufacturer's warranty on the knife. So if you get a knife from them, depending on which knife it is, it may or may not have a manufacturer's warranty on it. However, if it doesn't, then Blade HQ offers usually like a 1-year warranty on the knife themselves. So today, this is my personal favorite style of the Boker that I've seen so far. So we are going to be talking all the specs based off of this one right here. Sorry if this isn't your favorite and you wish I would have done the other, just go to Blade HQ's website, find the one that you like, look at the specs there. One last disclaimer before we get into it, this is an automatic knife. So for those of you guys who don't know, this is an EDC style automatic knife. Like a little button, which basically means there's a little button that you push, flips open. The only thing that comes with that is, I know there's a lot of places where there's laws against you being able to carry these. In Texas, I'm totally fine, but you may or may not be where you live. Okay, so let's get into it. So this blade, or this particular knife is 7.5 inches lengthwise total. It has a 3¼ inch blade, although only 3 inches of that is actual cutting surface, just so you know. 4.5 inch long handle made of aluminum. By the way, the blade is D2. This particular one I think is like a smoke wash, I think is what they called it. But then the handle is a brown aluminum. This thing is modeled after the Kalashnikov rifle. That's why it's got that look on the handle. It's supposed to be kind of like a rifle grip. Very comfortable, very grippy. It has a deep carry pocket clip. Deep carry pocket clip. Oh, the pocket clip is a tip up style pocket clip. It weighs 3.5 ounces. So I feel like it's a really good weight. When I'm holding it, it feels not cheap, but not heavy. Other than that, there's going to be some more specs popping up on the screen. You can read through them. I couldn't memorize them all just for this video, but they're here. Also a description on the knife. Sorry I don't have it here in person, but I can tell you I've used it before multiple times. It's a really great knife for 50 bucks. That's the other thing, y'all. It's not $500. If it was a $500 knife, I might hold it to higher standards. This is 50 bucks. Very good knife for 50 bucks. Yes, I am planning on buying this in the future. The snappy part of it, like the flippy, the automatic part, addicting. Like if you are a fidgety type of person, you will be doing it over and over. Trust me. Let me know in the comment section down below any questions or knives that you think rival this, or maybe even are better. I don't know. And hopefully you enjoyed this video. Until next time,
peace out.